Hello, my name is Hamad and welcome to Neural Code Day 3. Today we continue our journey. It's clear that you are ready to learn more. If you are new to this channel, make sure to start from day 1 because all videos are somehow connected to each other. Anyhow, let's start this video. I will start with giving you a technical description about the Swift programming language. After that, I will explain it in detail. So, Swift is a new programming language for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Swift provides its own versions of all fundamental C and Objective-C types, including int for integers, double and float for floating point values, bool for Boolean values, and string for textual data, as well as primary collection types, such as array, set, and dictionaries. Select the project folder, right-click, new group, let's name it Playground, and now go to File, New, add Playground. Select blank, click Next. Let's name this Basics. Select the workspace, select Playground. Click Create. Swift programming language has its own reserved keywords. For example, import. Import is a reserved keyword and it means something. It means I need to import the framework to use it. The first thing you need to know is that we have constants and variables. Constants has a keyword, let. Let is a constant and it is a keyword reserved in computer. Swift compiler knows what it is. The other thing is that we have variable var. It is also reserved in the Swift compiler and it means variable. The value of a constant cannot be changed once it's set, whereas a variable can be set to a different value in the future. Let me explain. Let's start with declaring a constant. We start by typing let. Let's give this constant a name, colon. Now we have to specify the type. Let's say it's a string. String is also a keyword defined in Swift compiler. Space, let's add equal sign and add quotation mark. Inside the double quotation, we say come. Now this is an example of declaring a constant. Now let's declare a variable. We start by typing var person colon type string equals to for odd. Very simple. Now we have declared two things. One is a constant, the other thing is a variable. What we have done here is this. We have declared a constant. The name of that constant is name. The type of that constant is string of value Hamad. Same here for variable. Its name person. The type is a string. The value is Fuad. Very easy, right? Now, let's move to give you an introduction to all the types that are available for you. Voila! I have already give you an example of integers, double, float, boolean, string, array of integers, dictionary. Now let's go one by one. This is a constant name integer of type integer. The value of that constant is 10. Same for here, double. The value of double is 1.0, similar to float. Now boolean has two reserved keywords. One is a true, the other is false. So you can't change it to, for example, 2.5, for example. You will get an error because you can't convert value of type double to specified type boolean. Okay, so you either say it's false or true. Easy. Now the next thing is a string. We put the text inside double quotation because this double quotation is also reserved in the Swift compiler. If you remove them by mistake or intentionally, you will get an error. So make sure you add a quotation mark. Also, avoid typing or adding smart quotation. Make sure you have these double quotation. Next, we have array. Think of an array is similar to a list of things. Let's say we have a list of numbers. Okay, in our example, we define array with square brackets. We put the integer, the type of array is integer, which means the values that are available inside or stored inside the array must be integers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You divide these values with comma. Next, we have dictionaries. Dictionaries are different than arrays. Why is that? Because they are also a list. However, the type consists of key and value. And here is the example. We say 1 of type string is the key. Of type, the value is integer. Easy, right? And this is it for this video. Today you have learned how to declare constants and variables. Now you know the types that are available for you. And also, you know that there are some keywords defined in the Swift compiler. In the upcoming videos, we will use these types to write code. So stay tuned and see you in the upcoming video.